I searched how to buy shares of Dow Inc. as an example. Dow Inc. is a global materials and specialty chemicals company listed on NASDAQ with the ticker Dow. This content is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your balance before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker Dow to find Dow Inc., then select the listing that matches the NASDAQ symbol and company name. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the symbol shows Dow and the description corresponds to Dow Inc. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.